Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Riot client and Valorant are updated. Outdated files often trigger UI or ad loading errors. Once done, close both processes via Task Manager and relaunch to clear cache states. Disable overlays from GPU suites in Steam because they inject rendering hooks that break ad modules. Also switch to a wired network or run a quick latency test. Unstable packets can cause partial asset loads. These steps remove common conflicts, so you can proceed to targeted repairs. Now you run the Riot repair utility inside the client. It verifies game files and redownloads corrupted assets that can prevent ads from loading. If Vanguard shows service errors, uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard because driver-level blocks disrupt networking and UI components. Next, close the client and delete client cache and web cache folders to force fresh ad manifests and resource downloads. After that, relaunch the client as administrator, so permission issues do not stop background fetches or service. Finish by removing intermediaries. Disable VPNs, proxies, and strict firewalls because they block ad servers or rewrite requests. Then flush your DNS with ipconfig/flushtons and restart the PC to clear stale DNS records that might point to deprecated ad endpoints. If ads still fail, collect logs from Riot Client and Vanguard, note timestamps, and submit them to Riot support so they can correlate server-side errors. One troubleshooting tip: test on a different network or machine to isolate local configuration versus account/server issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.